In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock money on Opay. Let's say there is one particular money someone wants to keep with you, and you feel like you don't want to spend the money for some other things. All you just need to do is just try to lock the money on your Opay account so that you won't be able to have access to withdraw the money or maybe spend it or have access to it. So all you just need to do is just come down to or lock open your Opay account, then click on finance section right here. You can see right there I have some money that I actually logged in my own account right here. If you look down to the fixed option, so all you just need to do is depend on the kind of money you want to log. As for me, I like using the fixed option because I won't have access to withdraw the money until the month or the day I actually select reach, and then the money will be paid directly to my Opay balance automatically. So all you just need to do is just click on fixed if you want to use that option too. So I have some money that are fixed right here, so all you just need to do is just click on create a plan. So here you can decide on how long you would like to lock the money. So let's say between 7 to 60 days. So then put in an option or saving amount. Let's say you want to save 30,000 for example. So you want to save 30,000 naira for just 10 days for example. So and today is 26, so I want to save for 10 days. So which of course the money will be available on the 7th of March 2024. Then you can give it a name, although that is optional. If you want to give it a name, if you have different savings, you can also give it a name so that you'll be able to identify the money. So once you give it a name, let's say quick save money, then you can click on next right here. Then you see how much you'll be able to get back if you try to save money with or lock money with Opay. You can see right here you'll be getting 110 naira for the next 10 days. And this is another option. You cannot withdraw lock fund for free until the payback date. If you toggle this on right here, that means you won't be able to withdraw the money until that particular day you select, which is on the 7th of March 2024. But if you did not toggle this on right here, you'll be able to withdraw the money anytime, but then it will not drop to your account instantly. It will drop after 24 hours, but then you won't be able to get any interest on that money if you withdraw the money when the time have not reached. So this is how you can lock money on Opay and also earn interest for doing just that.